Hey Raj, I know you play video games almost every evening.
Guilty. It's basically how I relax after work.
Well, today's lesson turns that habit into something useful too. Lesson 31. Learn English through gaming.
Wait, gaming can actually teach English? I thought it was just fun.
It really can. Most games have English text, voice chats, and instructions. So you're already surrounded by the language. You just need to use it more actively.
Okay, how do I do that exactly?
First tip. Set your game language to English, if it isn't already. Menus, missions, item names, all of it becomes reading practice without feeling like studying.
Mine's already in English actually, so I guess I'm doing that part right.
Good start. Second tip. Use voice chat with other players instead of just typing or staying silent. Real conversations, even short ones, build real confidence.
Oh, that's a bit scary though. Talking to strangers online.
It feels that way at first, but it's actually low pressure since most players are focused on the game, not judging your accent.
That's true, honestly. Nobody cares about grammar in the middle of a match.
Exactly. Third tip. Learn common gaming phrases since they are used constantly, like level up, meaning to improve or gain experience, or GG, short for good game, said after a match ends.
Oh, I say GG all the time. I never really thought about what it stood for.
Now you know. There's also respawn, meaning to come back to life in the game, and loot, meaning items you collect.
These are actually useful outside gaming too. Like, I need to level up my English skills.
Perfect example. See, gaming vocabulary sneaks into real conversations more than people realize.
Okay, what's the last tip?
Fourth, watch English gaming videos or streams, not just play. Listening to commentators explain strategy in real time is great natural listening practice.
That actually sounds fun since I already watch gaming videos anyway.
Exactly. Just watch English ones instead of dubbed or Hindi commentary sometimes.
Okay, so to summarize, play in English, use voice chat, learn gaming phrases, and watch English gaming content.
Perfect summary. So, friends, if you already game, you have a fun daily English practice tool sitting right in your hands.
Comment your favorite game below and one gaming phrase you use all the time.
If this lesson helped you, hit like, subscribe, and we'll bring more fun ways to practice English like this.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. And Anjali, wanna play a match after this? Purely for practice, of course.
Purely for practice. Bye, everyone.